So you just finished a great looking marketing email template, and now you want to make sure you got all the custom fields right. So what you end up doing is send yourself an email, preview that, proofread it, and then if there's any change, you need to come back and do all that stuff again. We all do that, right? But there's a simple way, which is going to save you all that time, and you can preview everything with the custom field data right inside the email builder. You want to see how? Let's dive right in. All right, so I've just clicked on marketing, and under email, I have selected templates. I'm going to open one of my templates right here. So as you can see, my email template has a custom field right here. Now, previously, we would send ourselves a test email because the preview template does not really show the custom field, so you have to send it to yourself. But what we can do now is if you click on preview template right here, you should be able to select the name right here. Now, it has a weird name. Do not worry about that because it automatically chooses the first contact in your list. It is a very random person. But what you can do here is you can click on preview contact information here, and then you can choose between different contacts that are in your list. So let's say if I select this person right here, you can see how this email would look like on their end. And this is just a quick way for you to see all the custom fields. So wherever you have custom fields throughout your email template, you would be able to see on how this person would see your email. And this makes it really quick and saves you all that time and cost that you spend testing emails, sending yourself and then making changes on the go. So you can see it's very quick, but an awesome feature, and this will save you immense amount of time and all that back and forth that you previously used to do. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below, and we will get back to you.